Arnold, what is it? Arnold. Arnold, what is it? Baby. Baby, baby, baby. What is it? Baby. You're just a baby. Arnold.
I don't want to set the world on fire.
Baby. Arnold. Baby, baby. Baby. For those of you who don't know, this is my cat Arnold. Still just a baby. He's always a baby. Tomorrow he is flying out for the first time. Aren't you, baby? Right? Yes, you are. So hopefully that goes well. Arnold, you're just a little man. You're just a little man. My little mans.
This right here is my favorite thing ever in the history of forever. I think about this every day. I think about this all night long. I stay awake not sleeping because I'm thinking about this.
Just a baby. Baby, baby. Just a little baby. You're just a little baby. Baby.